All right, so this just arrived from Rugged Radios, and we're just doing an unboxing right now. Oh wow, this is cool. Here is our antenna, and here are more parts and accessories. We got the brackets, the Unimag. It's a magnetic universal antenna mount. The last one is our RAMBLE G4 mobile radio. Opening this up. Oh, here's a nice cool box right here. Oh, nice. Wow. Go further. Oh, wow, that's so cool. Oh, it comes with a nice, cool, rugged Rambler patch.
Oh, it already has a mount.
And here is GMRS. Here is the walkie-talkie. Comes with some cool stickers. And here is the quick start guide instructions. We are actually going to install our what's this, front MOLLE system back on again. We're just mocking where to put like the antenna.
Yeah.
And
they gave us this one that you can actually put it on your roof. It magnets.
Or anywhere there's metal.
Yeah. But then we're like thinking it's too high now.
Yeah, and it's too far back.
Yeah.
So we're still just like trying to find out or figure out where to place the antenna. So we already removed our SS3 ditch lights, and we are now going to remove our titanium bolt, and we are going to put this bracket here, and this is where we are going to hang our antenna. He is going to build a negative connector.
Yeah, for the antenna. So I guess for the grounds, so we just need to have like a short wiring that will go to the antenna going to something metal. So we're just going to do a ground.
She's now using the crimper. And we're actually using our Corolla as our work table.
I know. And then I'm gonna just put some sleeve and then
use the heat gun. We are putting the negative.
So right now we fished it here in the windshield.
Yep.
And then it comes out here, and then we'll put a ground somewhere here. This is the wiring for the antenna. So we need to put it here. We need to sandwich the negative first. Put it here. Comes with this washer, and then also comes with this kind of screw, and then we would just need to tighten this.
Doing our best to make it nice and tight.
Yep, it's nice and sturdy. We're just gonna tighten that later, and then we can put our antenna.
So we are actually running the wires from there. We opened this piece up,
and this piece,
and then all the way down here, and we're still not done yet running the wire. We remove the panels, and we are now running the wire through the bottom. So we finished running the wire all the way through here. We already finished putting back the carbon fiber panels, and we made it ran through here underneath the seat and come out from there, and it is here now, and that is where we are going to place the radio.
Putting this butt connector
okay
right here, and then where's my crimper? This is now for the negative, and there. And then now the sleeves will go on top, and then we just do a heat gun for it.
You're now using the heat gun. We are going to put the negative wire here, but I'm actually removing this bolt because this is titanium and we need something metal, steel. So we found an OEM steel bolt, and that's what we are going to replace it with. We finished tightening this down. So this is our negative wire. I just finished putting back the ditch light, and this is how it looks like. And here is our rugged radio antenna, all connected right beside the ditch light. The bracket for the radio, and we're actually trying to mock where to place this. So we could either place it there, or if we wanted to, maybe we could even place it underneath or on top of our rugged radio headset. But for now, we'll probably just place it somewhere here. We got the MOLLE system, we got the bracket, we got some screws, and we are going and we already found our spots on where we're gonna place it there. And make sure too that your compartment is open so you know exactly how far it goes down. Put this here. All right, and we're now going to screw this down. We just finished putting our screws, and this is how we are going to place it. Got the red and black wire, and we put it, or we made it go through there. And right now it's in the driver's side.
Yeah. What we need to do is fish this through the firewall going out to the engine. We found out that this too will not fit, or this fuse will not fit the firewall going to the battery or the D switch. So what we're gonna be doing, we're just gonna cut it here, so it will be just the wire going into the battery area.
There she goes. She's now going to cut this.
One out. There.
We just finished fishing out the black and red wire from the firewall. There you go, right there. And here it is right here. And now she is going to connect the one that she cut back here. She is now going to connect the wires that she cut back together again.
So I'm just putting all of the sleeves and then the connector.
Heat gunning all the connectors. It's now heating up the black sleeve cover. She is now working on the red wire, connecting it with the heat gun. Now heating up the black sleeve. We just finished opening up our D switch, and we are planning on connecting it here. She cut the head on this, and she's going to put this style of head in the wire.
And then I just need the special crimper, and there you go.
There, that's one. Okay, she's now putting that part in on the red wire. She's using her special tool.
And there you go.
There you go. We are unscrewing our D switch. We are now putting the negative wire and connecting it in the D switch. She's now putting the D switch cover back on. We're going to connect the radio to the power cord, in which we just connected it to the D switch. I heard it snapped.
Yeah.
We are connecting the antenna to the radio.
We just need to connect this.
The handheld radio.
And it will be on top here.
Right, moment of truth. D switch is on.
There.
Number 7. She pressed number 7. That's where we connected our rugged radio.
And then now I'm gonna turn, I think this is the on button right there.
Oh, it works. We are using a number 7 to tighten the screws. Just open this up so she can zip tie the wires from underneath that ran across the power line from the rugged radios. So this is where we place the microphone for the radio, and we placed it right there. and everything is solid. Look how cool this stick on, or the magnet for this is. That is so cool. We are changing our radio frequency.
Yeah.
So we could connect it with our handheld radio.
This is the where you change the channel. Copy, copy.
Oh shoot, that is so cool. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh shoot, that is
Loud and clear.
Oh wow, that is so cool. Just letting you guys know, we have the D switch on because that's where we connected it. So all right, go ahead.
Copy, copy.
Oh wow, that thing is loud. 10-4, copy, copy. Oh wait, there she is right there. Copy, copy. Can you hear? 10-4.
Loud and clear.
Wow, that thing is loud. So we just came from Wingstop and we got to go and we got their chickens and their corn, and this is what we got, and their fries. Okay, let's do this.
You can ride looking like a super fly disco. You can ride looking like a super fly disco.
Using these two tools, and we're just
Ouch.